What's going on, y'all? It's Anthony Lee, A-Lee Real Estate, and I'm here today. I'm like filled with so many emotions. It's really crazy. So today I bought my first apartment building, my first 6-unit apartment building in West Philadelphia. Who would have thought? And the beautiful thing about this is I got to share this with my kids. And guess what? Since we bought a building, where we get to go now?
The airplane.
On the airplane, yup. So I told the guys, next house we buy, we're gonna go on the airplane and go celebrate. So today is definitely worth celebrating. But I want to share with you guys, the thing that made this deal work is, if you're going to be a real estate investor, you need to be able to solve problems. What does that mean? Figure out solutions for other people that can create income for you. So with that, I was able to find a property that was sitting on the market for 2 years. Nobody wanted it. Nobody really was paying attention to it. And then on top of that, I told the seller, don't worry about any of the issues with the building or the tenants. I'll take care of it. The cash flow will take care of itself. And if the opportunity is right, you will be able to find money. So again, don't be fearful. Get yourself a good network. Work with people, collaborate, ask questions. And just like that, one deal can be a game changer for you. So if you like this information, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys at any of the next events we have. Anthony Lee signing out.